Hello everyone. Thank you for joining this presentation. This video is dedicated to the topic of ethical considerations in research. We will discuss general rules or general ethical principles that are required to follow in any kind of research. Here are some general rules or ethical principles related to research given by Mayers. These rules are the golden rule, honesty, plagiarism, informed consent, and permission to publish. Let's have a look on these one by one. The golden rule is the underlying principle of ethical consideration in research. This rule states that you should do unto others as you would have them do unto you. It means that while you doing your research, if you are unsure about the ethics of a particular action on your part, then it is a good idea to put yourself in other person's shoes. Treat others as you yourself want to be treated and provide benefit to the organization and individuals involved in your work. It is necessary to consider how would you feel if someone is observing you or taking notes about your activities, or how would you feel if they publish something about you without having the opportunity to review it beforehand. So it is necessary to think others as you think of yourself. Most of the following rule built on these fundamental ethical principles. The second principle is honesty. Honesty is fundamental to all research. Without honesty, the entire knowledge on which a particular discipline is built would crumbling down. All researchers should be honest about their data, their findings, and their research methods, because without honesty, all our claims to creating original knowledge or discovering important insights are useless. The second ethical principle is related to plagiarism. Plagiarism is considered to be one of the worst possible sin in academia. Plagiarism is deliberate copying of someone else's work and presenting it as one's own. The whole peer review system of conferences and journals and the award of diplomas and degrees at universities is actually based on this principle. Scholars only claim credit for what they themselves have done. If the material has been copied or referenced from somewhere else, then these sources must be properly acknowledged by giving in-text citations and reference or bibliographic list at the end of the documents. There are many softwares available to check the plagiarism of research manuscript, for instance, Turnitin. Next ethical consideration is informed consent. It is an important ethical principle, especially in qualitative research. Informed consent means that potential informants should as far as possible be enabled freely to give their informed consent to participate and advise that they can terminate their involvement for any reason at any time. Of course, if you are doing fieldwork, it is unrealistic to expect that you can obtain the consent of everyone you might meet. However, if you are studying an organization or a company, you should obviously obtain permission from an appropriate manager to conduct the research. Also, if you are intending to conduct interviews, then your interviewees should be asked for their informed consent beforehand. The last ethical consideration given by Mayer is permission to publish. Often, some of the data you collect will be owned by the people or company. In this case, it is essential to ask permission from the appropriate person to use the material in your own work. If you prefer not to seek any comments from the people or organizations concerned, perhaps because your article or your thesis might be seen by them as too critical, then another solution is to use pseudonym and change some of the other detail to disguise their identities. It is important to maintain confidentiality if that was assumed or requested by the people being studied. In some situations, the right of the public to know can sometimes override the right of the people and organizations where you conduct your research. However, deciding the rights and wrongs in any particular case is tricky and has to be carefully thought through. Mayer and Blackmon also identified 3 ethical considerations while writing research manuscript. The first is maintaining privacy, which means that make sure that the confidentiality is preserved. The second ethical consideration is representation of data, which means make sure that you report and analyze your data honestly. The third ethical consideration is taking responsibility for your own finding. Make sure that you are prepared to stand behind your results, particularly if your findings are unfavorable. I hope this video enhanced your knowledge on the topic. To receive updates about videos on the related topics, please subscribe our channel, like the video and drop a comment if required.